Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to reset oil life on 2017 Jaguar XE. Start by turning the ignition to position Roman 2 without starting the engine and navigate the driver display menu. Use the left steering buttons to find vehicle information, then service interval. Press and hold the OK button until the oil life resets to 100%. If the reset fails, cycle the ignition and try again slowly. Follow these steps while parked safely and with the parking brake on. Turn the ignition to position Roman 2 without starting the engine, then use the left steering wheel controls to access vehicle information. Select service interval, and when oil life appears, press and hold OK until it displays 100%. Confirm the reset by cycling the ignition off and back on, then verify the dashboard shows the new oil life reading. If the menu option is missing, check for active warnings or service reminders that can block resets. A low battery or weak electrical connection may prevent the reset, so ensure battery voltage is healthy. Persistent problems or software glitches may require a dealer visit or an OBD-Roman 2 tool to clear service codes, and a technician can confirm the correct oil life calibration and record the service history in the.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.